Benefits of learning English. Hello, my friend. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important. I want to talk about all the benefits of learning English. English is one of the most popular languages in the world. Millions of people speak English every day. Learning English can help you in many ways. It can help you in your life, your career, your travel, your friends, and your mind. I want to explain all these benefits clearly so that you can see why learning English is very useful. First, learning English helps you communicate with people all over the world. English is like a key to meet new people. If you know English, you can talk to people from different countries. You can make new friends and learn about their culture. You can send messages, emails, or even make phone calls in English. Communication is very important in today's world, and English makes it easier. Second, learning English helps you travel more easily. If you go to another country, English is very useful. Many countries use English in airports, hotels, and restaurants. When you know English, you can ask for directions, order food, and understand signs. Traveling becomes more fun and safe. You don't have to worry about being lost or misunderstood. Third, learning English helps you study and get more knowledge. Many books, articles, and websites are in English. If you know English, you can read them easily. You can learn about science, history, technology, or art. You can watch videos, listen to podcasts, and follow online courses in English. Learning English opens a door to a lot of knowledge that you cannot get in your own language. Fourth, learning English helps you get a better job. Many companies want people who can speak English. If you know English, you have more opportunities. You can work in international companies, travel for your job, and earn more money. English is very important in business, trade, tourism, and technology. People who speak English well have more chances to succeed. Fifth, learning English helps you use the internet better. Most websites, apps, and online tools are in English. If you know English, you can understand information faster. You can watch videos, read news, or talk to people online. You can also join online communities and learn new skills. English makes the internet more useful and interesting. Sixth, learning English helps you enjoy movies, songs, and books. Many movies and songs are in English. If you understand English, you can enjoy them without translation. You can watch movies with subtitles or even without subtitles. You can listen to songs and understand the lyrics. Reading books in English can be fun, and you can learn new words from them. Seventh, learning English helps you understand other cultures. When you learn English, you also learn about people's ideas, traditions, and ways of living. You can understand movies, books, and music better. You can see how people think and feel in different places. This helps you become more open-minded and friendly. Eighth, learning English helps you improve your brain. Learning a new language makes your brain stronger. It helps you remember things, solve problems, and think clearly. You can focus better and be more creative. Learning English is like exercising your brain every day. Ninth, learning English helps you be more confident. When you know English, you can talk to people, read books, watch movies, or travel without fear. You feel proud of yourself when you can use a new language. Confidence is very important in life, and English helps you build it. 10th, learning English helps you prepare for exams and school. If you study at school or university, English is often required. You need English for tests like TOEFL, IELTS, or exams at your school. Learning English helps you get good grades and reach your academic goals. 11th, learning English helps you connect with your hobbies. If you like sports, games, cooking, or music, you can learn more about your hobbies in English. There are many articles, videos, and communities in English. You can meet people who like the same things as you. English helps you enjoy your free time more. 12th, learning English helps you work with international technology. Many computer programs, apps, and tools are in English. If you know English, you can use them easily. You can also learn programming, design, or other skills faster. English gives you an advantage in the modern world. 13th, learning English helps you understand the world better. When you know English, you can follow world news, learn about politics, climate change, or global events. You can understand what is happening in different countries. This helps you be more informed and ready for the future. 14th, learning English helps you meet famous people. Many famous people speak English. If you know English, you can watch their interviews, listen to their talks, or read their books. You can learn lessons from their life and experience. English gives you access to many role models. 15th, learning English helps you be creative. When you read, write, or speak in English, you use your imagination. You can write stories, create videos, or make art using English. English gives you a new way to express yourself and share your ideas with others. 16th, learning English helps you connect with science and technology. Many discoveries, research papers, and technology updates are in English. If you know English, you can read them first. You can also understand lectures, tutorials, and online courses. English helps you stay updated and smart. 17th, learning English helps you learn other languages. When you know English, it is easier to learn Spanish, French, German, or other languages. English is often the first language in learning other languages. Knowing English makes your brain ready to learn more. 18th, learning English helps you join global events. If there is a conference, competition, or meeting, English is often used. You can join and share your ideas. You can learn from people around the world. English gives you a chance to be part of the global community. 19th, learning English helps you teach others. If you know English, you can help your friends or family. You can teach them new words, explain ideas, or guide them in learning. Teaching English also makes you better at English. 20th, learning English helps you have fun and relax. Reading, watching movies, listening to music, and chatting with friends in English can be fun. Learning English is not always serious. It can be enjoyable and relaxing at the same time. Now, my friend, we can see that learning English has many benefits. It helps you communicate, travel, study, work, use the internet, enjoy entertainment, understand culture, improve your brain, be confident, succeed in school, enjoy hobbies, use technology, understand the world, meet role models, be creative, connect with science, learn other languages, join global events, teach others, and have fun. All of these benefits are very important. They can change your life. Learning English is not easy at first. But if you practice every day, it becomes easier. You can start by learning a few words, reading a short article, or listening to a song in English. Step by step, you will see the benefits. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Every day you practice, you grow. Every day you learn, you improve. Every day you use English, you open a new door. English is more than a language, it is a key to the world. So, my friend, if you want to improve your life, your career, your mind, your confidence, and your happiness, start learning English today. Make it a habit. Read, listen, write, and speak English every day. Even a small step is important. Over time, these small steps will lead to big success. Thank you for listening. I hope you will enjoy learning English and feel all the benefits in your life. Learning English is not just useful, it is powerful, exciting, and life-changing.